there's a lot of roll-up films on the market. This is one of my favorites. This is the Mohawk textured light block film. This is the 9mm. They have different thicknesses. They're all certified. I've also run the 12mm quite a bit. This 9mm is really one of my go-tos for roll-up banners. It's got a gray back, and if you notice here, there is no certified logo, and that's my fault. This is a certified media. This Mohawk light block is a certified media. And there's reasons for that. If you look at the black here, it's absolutely fantastic. This film will take ink really well. It looks marvelous. The black is just flawless all the way through it. A lot of products that have poorer quality films or poorer quality coatings will not have a rich black like this. It has almost a nice luster effect to it. It has kind of a subtle texture on it, and the effect of the overall print is almost like a luster. It's not glossy, so it throws your eye, but it's not entirely matte either, but it's more on the matte side. Beautiful product, certified media, Mohawk light block film, gray back. This is something, for example, that won't curl at the edges or anything when you install it in a roll-up. Has a lot of applications, but roll-up is probably the primary one. This is the 9mm. I've run this a lot, no issues. Certified media, downloadable straight into the printer. Definitely a high recommendation, and the way this black came out really substantiates the claim on why this is legitimately a certified media.